October 5th, 2020 practice. Amber went to the veterinarian clinic down the street from her house and created the chart below. So the animals that were at the vet is what she saw. So she saw cats. She saw 5 cats, 7 dogs, and 2 rabbits. All right, so over here, there's 2 parts here. This top part says, what is the ratio of cats to dogs at the vet in 3 different forms? Then write a ratio comparison statement to describe the ratios written. All right, so it says, what is the ratio of cats to dogs? So cats to dogs. Cats to dogs. So that 2 is separating our 2 things, our 2 quantities, what we're comparing. Cats to dogs. How many cats are there? It says there's 5 cats. So I'm going to put 5, and then our words 2. Dogs. How many dogs were there? 7. 7 dogs. So 5 to 7. We can also write it with a colon. 5 colon 7. Then that fraction. 5 with that fraction bar 7. Now, ratio comparison statement. Remember, for every blank, there are blank. For every blank, there are blanks. So for every 5, what? 5 was our first number that we did. Cats. For every 5 cats, there are... Ooh, bless me, sorry. For every 5 cats, there are blank dogs. How many dogs were there? 7. 7 dogs. That's it. For every 5 cats, there are 7 dogs. That's it for the first part. Let's look at the second one. So write the ratio of rabbits to all animals at the vet in 3 different forms. Then write a ratio comparison statement to describe the ratios. We can do this. All right, so words. First of all, what are we comparing? It says the ratio of rabbits, so rabbits, to all animals at the vet. So to the total, so to all of the animals. All right, so how many rabbits were there? Rabbits, 2 rabbits. So 2, 2, okay, how many total animals were there? So that means we have to add them up. We have to add them up. So 5 plus 7 plus 2. So I know 5 plus 7 is 12. Plus 2 is going to be 14. So I know there's 14 total. So I'm going to put 14 down here. So I know there's 14 total animals. So 7, 8, 9 plus 5 is 14. Yes, yes, yes. So 2 rabbits to 14 of those total animals. You can also simplify that and make it a little bit simpler, because if we take a look, the greatest common factor that can go into both of those is a 2. So if we divide both by 2, it could also be 1 to 7. You do not have to do that. 1 to 7. You do not have to do that at all. I'm going to actually make that smaller. So it could be 1 to 7 if you want to. But in this case, we do not have to right now. And then 2 colon 14 and 2 fraction 14. Now, ratio comparison statement. For every blank, there are blank. For every blank, there are blank. All right, so for every 2 rabbits, because 2 rabbits the rabbits were first, and we know there are 2 of them. For every 2 rabbits, there are, well, what is it? What are we comparing to? All animals at the vet, and how many were all of them? 14. So for every 2 rabbits, there are 14 total animals at the vet. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, that's it for our practice. Great job.